Are you looking to refine your manual therapy skills? Or maybe you're just getting started? Then you're going to want this on your shelf. Spinal manipulations and mobilization techniques is an essential reference for learning and sharpening your techniques for the spine. So this book is just not theory. This is a must-have guide for manual therapists such as osteopaths, chiropractors, physical therapists, you name it. Inside, you'll find step-by-step instructions from expert John Gibbons, popularly known as the Body Master, to over 45 video demonstrations so that you can feel confident and precise in your practice. In part 1, you dive into the anatomy, biomechanics, and related pathologies of the vertebral column, plus key differences between mobilization and manipulation. You also go over the gait cycle and how it connects to the spinal function. In part 2, that's where it gets hands-on. You're going to learn all the techniques you need for manipulation and mobilization. Manual therapy for the spine, thorax, and pelvis is essential for treating pain and movement dysfunction. With detailed illustrations, clear photos, and online video demos, you've got everything you need to learn and apply these techniques safely and effectively. So go ahead and grab your copy on the Human Kinetics website at us.humankinetics.com.